put basil in water and add salt, all the worms and insects will come out of hiding. If you mix all your vegetable and fruit waste, then you'll have a natural fertilizer that will help your plants grow faster. If your flowers are dying, make holes in a plastic bottle, bury it in the ground, and fill it with water. It will be used to slowly water the roots of your flowers deeply. If you put cotton in a pair of jeans, reinforce it with wire, place a flower pot in it, and put sneakers on it, then you'll have an unusual flower pot that will make your neighbors curious. If your lettuces are infested with insects, make a circle of baking soda around them using a large empty can. Baking soda is a natural pesticide that repels insects without endangering your lettuces. If you put water in your seedlings, you'll be able to collect their seeds easily and grow them over and over again. If you put garlic pods in an empty egg carton and cover them with soil, you'll be able to grow them at home easily. If your vegetables are being eaten by insects, put a sticker on them to protect them. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the link, then you can pick up my free gardening guide.